Do you know you can reduce your baby's diapering expenses by at least 50%? I know it sounds crazy, but I'm sure you already know how expensive disposal diapers are, and prices are increasing every single year. The truth is, I've got 3 secrets that I'm going to share with you today that's going to revolutionize the way you diaper your baby. Hi, I'm Hui Hui, founder of Raf Raf. As an award-winning cloth diaper brand in Singapore, I've been helping thousands of parents for over 10 years now to embark on the journey of cloth diapering with less stress, less cost, and more peace of mind. From diaper rash problems to rash-free, from spending $1,000 every year on disposal diapers to saving $1,000 every year, and at the same time reducing environmental waste to leave a better planet Earth for our children. Some of you may have seen our Raf Raf booth at baby fairs such as Mummy's Market or Supermum. So what's the problem with using disposal diapers, you may ask? Disposal diapers are made from paper or plastic and it's not breathable. So when baby pees or poops into it, it becomes the perfect breeding ground for baby for the bacteria to form. That's why according to WebMD, almost every baby will get diaper rash at least once in the first 3 years, with most of these babies falling between 9 months to 12 months old. Cloth diapers, on the other hand, are breathable, and the best thing is they're chemical free. So if you change within the recommended time, it's perfectly safe for baby skin. And unlike disposal diapers, where you know you have to get samples to test if your baby is sensitive to it, that's totally unnecessary with cloth diapers, because cloth diapers are chemical free and very safe for baby skin. So I know that you may be thinking, cloth diapers, so troublesome, you need to wash them, and then you need to handle baby's poop. Yes, I get it. It's totally normal to think this way because before you've tried and experienced the benefits of cloth diapers. So I'm going to share with you 3 secrets as to why more and more parents are jumping into cloth diapering now in recent years, and they are loving it. The secret number 1, it's not a do it or don't do it choice. Now we know that if your baby has diaper rashes, what will your doctor advise? Definitely switch to cloth immediately, right? Or even going bare bottom if it's serious enough. Why? Is to let the baby's skin breathe. We all heard the saying, prevention is better than cure. So rather than slathering on the diaper cream and hoping for no rashes for your baby in the first 3 years, would you agree that airing your baby's bottom with cloth for a few hours a day or even just a weekend would be a good idea? We have many parents who cloth diaper just for the weekends, or what we call part-time cloth diapering, and they love it because it's flexible. Whenever they want to do it, then they do it, and it's the best of both worlds. Secret number 2, modern cloth diapers grows as your baby grows. Compared to the old way, which is just a piece of cloth or muslin cloth, modern cloth diapers have evolved into a style that's designed for busy parents. You have so many things to take care of, so you definitely don't want additional work. So here's the great thing about cloth diapers. It comes with the absorbent padding called the insert, and it also has a waterproof cover which doesn't leak onto the bed or the clothes, and it's even stay dry, meaning that this layer, after the baby pee on it, within 30 seconds it will dry. So let me show you how it works. So you put this into the pocket here, and then this is where the baby will pee and poo. Let me just show you. Let's imagine if the baby pees over here. I'll just simulate and put a little bit of water. And you can see. Let me just show you how fast this part dries. Alright? I'll put this tissue on top. And you can see very little water. And now quite a few seconds has gone by. Let me try again. It's totally dry. So you can actually see that this part is actually totally dry for your baby, so that's why they don't get rashes. Whereas the insert here, this part, let me just take this tissue and press on it so that you can see it's totally wet. So this is the one that absorbs all the pee and it doesn't make your baby's skin wet. That's why your baby won't get rashes this way. So the best thing about this modern cloth diapers is that if you see the buttons over here in front, there are so many buttons, right? You can actually button them according to your baby's size as your baby grows. So for example, this can be worn from newborn until 3 years old. So when baby is small, just button down this way. and this will be a newborn size. And as baby grows older, you can actually button a medium size or a large size, and then you just adjust according to the waist here as baby grows older. Alright, so the good thing about this modern cloth diapers is you don't have to buy new diapers anymore as your baby grows. So that's why you can save money, and every year is about $800 to $1,000 that you can save if you use cloth diapers instead of disposable diapers. Secret number 3, use a diaper liner. I know you may be thinking, I don't want to handle my baby's poop, it's messy, it's stinky. The good news is, these problems have been solved by parents who came before you, and here's the solution, use a diaper liner. So this is what a diaper liner looks like. This diaper liner comes in a roll of 100 sheets, so you just tear out one piece like this and put it onto the diaper. So this is what this diaper liner does, is it will actually help to filter off the baby's solid poo. So if the baby poops, you just take this off and discard into the bin, or you can flush into the toilet. So then it becomes easier to wash the cloth diaper. So basically, all our cloth diapers are actually machine washable, and washing is just a simple 3-step process. Prepare a diaper pail, and then the pee diapers put into the diaper pail. The poo ones, after you remove the liners, you can just give it a rinse and then put it into the diaper pail as well. And then after that, accumulate one whole load, and every night or every other night put into the washing machine to wash. For the detergent, use one that does not contain bleach or softener. So popular brands like Tide, Top, Persil, Dynamo, just to name a few. And we'll provide you with the washing instructions, so you don't have to worry, we've got you covered. So this is the Baby Dash by Raf Raf cloth diaper. You will get the cover and the insert. So Baby Dash by Raf Raf is actually our budget-friendly brand, whereas Raf Raf is our premium bamboo brand. So this Baby Dash brand cloth diaper, which you'll be getting, there's no catch and no hidden cost, so you don't have to worry. So these are limited stocks only, and once we sell out, we'll remove this page and you won't see them again. So you can even choose the colors at the bottom of the page, and the popular designs will sell out really fast. So take advantage of the offer right now by clicking on the button below. So I really love how cloth diapering puts this smile on parents' faces, this sense of satisfaction and fulfillment when you give your baby skin a breather from disposal diapers. So again, click on the link below and get it today before prices go up. Cloth diapering helps parents solve many problems, so we would love to help you if you have any questions whatsoever. We're always available to help. So we'll see you again in our next video.